Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create your very own PayPal, Me Link. This personalized link makes it incredibly easy for friends, family, or customers to send you money with just a few clicks. To get started, simply log into your existing PayPal account. Once logged in, look for the PayPal Me option, usually found in your account settings or directly on the main page. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete. Now, let's personalize your link. You'll need to select a unique name that will form your PayPal Me address. Think of something easy to remember and share, perhaps your name or business name. This name will be part of the URL, like PayPal Me/your name. Make sure it accurately represents you or your brand, as this is how people will identify you when sending payments. Take a moment to choose wisely, as this will be your permanent link. Next, you can enhance your PayPal Me profile. Consider adding a clear profile picture, perhaps a friendly photo or your business logo, to make your page more inviting. You can also include a short description, explaining what the link is for or a brief introduction. Don't forget to confirm your preferred currency. This ensures that when people send you money, it arrives in the currency you expect, simplifying the entire payment process for everyone involved. Congratulations, your PayPal Me link is ready to share. You can now easily send it to anyone via text message, email, or by posting it on your social media platforms. When someone clicks your link, they will be directed to your personalized PayPal Me page. From there, they can simply enter the amount they wish to send and complete the payment in just a few quick steps. It's a convenient and secure way to receive money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.